Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato. Automobili Lamborghini presented the new Huracan Sterrato at Art Basel, Miami Beach, the first super sports car designed for maximum driving pleasure even away from the asphalt on loose or dirt surfaces, reinterpreting the very concept of sportiness and emphasizing the brand principles of brave, authentic and unexpected. True to our values as a visionary, bold and unconventional brand, with the Sterrato we are breaking new ground in driving sensations, commented Stephan Winkelmann, Lamborghini Chairman and CEO. Presenting the car at Art Basel in Miami reflects how, just like an avant-garde work of art, the Sterrato represents a radical and original interpretation of the super sports car concept, but, in terms of performance, the Sterrato belongs in the world's most dynamic and exciting driving environments. The Lamborghini Huracan Sterrato offers optimized driving dynamics for perfect control in all environments, from the highway to dirt roads. Compared with the Huracan Evo, the Sterrato comes with an updated version of the LVVI, Lamborghini Integrated Vehicle Dynamics, system. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.